Sprinkler irrigation system design plays a crucial role in optimizing water usage and ensuring efficient irrigation in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With the increasing demand for water and the need to conserve this precious resource, it is essential to design irrigation systems that are both effective and sustainable. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading company in the field of sprinkler irrigation system design, offering innovative solutions to meet the specific needs of clients in Bangalore and beyond. At Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, we understand the importance of designing sprinkler irrigation systems that are tailored to the unique requirements of each location. Our team of experts is well versed in the latest techniques and technologies in irrigation design, ensuring that we deliver solutions that are both effective and cost-efficient. Whether it's a small residential garden or a large agricultural field, we have the expertise to design a system that maximizes water distribution and minimizes wastage. One of the key factors in sprinkler irrigation system design is determining the most suitable type of sprinkler heads to be used. Different crops and terrains require different types of sprinklers, and our team at Scon Design India Pvt Ltd excels in selecting the right equipment for each project. We take into consideration factors such as water pressure, soil type, and crop water requirements to ensure optimal performance of the irrigation system. In addition to selecting the appropriate sprinkler heads, our team also focuses on designing an efficient layout for the sprinkler system. This involves determining the number and spacing of sprinklers, as well as the layout of pipes and valves. By carefully analyzing factors such as water flow rates and pressure losses, we are able to design a system that ensures uniform water distribution across the entire area being irrigated. When it comes to efficient and effective irrigation systems, sprinkler irrigation system design plays a crucial role. In Marathahalli, Bangalore, one can find top-notch companies like Scon Design India Pvt Ltd that specialize in designing and implementing sprinkler irrigation systems. These systems are designed to provide water to crops or plants in a controlled manner, ensuring maximum coverage and minimal wastage. The design process involves careful consideration of factors such as soil type, crop requirements, water availability, and terrain conditions. Sprinkler irrigation system design involves the selection and placement of sprinkler heads, as well as the layout of the piping network. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has a team of experienced professionals who take into account various factors before designing the system. They consider the type of crops being grown, their water requirements, and the soil's ability to absorb water. The goal is to design a system that provides uniform coverage and meets the specific needs of the crops.